This is Archetypal Trader. In today's video, I want to go over Bitcoin. The date's the 14th of June 2021. So this is the daily chart on Bitcoin. As you can see, we've had some chop / sideways movement down here in between the 40 and 30k zone since the 19th of January correction down. Currently we're under the Kumo. We have broken this smaller fractal here, so that's the first time we've broken a bull fractal for a fairly long time. Just looking back in this chart, we never really broke this bull fractal back up at 59k, so it has been a while in between bull fractal drinks, so to speak. So that's somewhat a little feather in the bullish cap, you could say. I'll just remove Tinkinson off here. So yeah, we've also closed above the keygen and would close below the keygen on this Kumo breakout to the downside on the 12th of May. So it has been a little while since we've been back above the keygen. So it would appear that it's been 33 days since we've been underneath the keygen and we've made it back up. So that's somewhat encouraging for the bulls. And so I'll go over to the weekly chart now. Delete that off. So yeah, on the weekly here, we've had those two previous inside bars that I mentioned in the video last time, and we've managed to create a lower low on the week that just closed earlier this morning. But yeah, we didn't break these lower lows. We just closed inside these previous highs as well. So it's just really more sideways movement on the weekly. If I bring up Ichimoku, you can see that the Tinkinson and the keygen are starting to angle in towards each other. Perhaps we get a TK cross above the cloud. That would be a minor bearish cross because price and the Tinkinson and keygen are still above the cloud or Kumo. So it's just a waiting game to see if we can come back to these areas. If I draw on a fib from the high down to this low at 2900, the 61.8 is still at 51,458, and we've got this previous bear fractal to work with as well at 47,000. So price would definitely be interested in coming back to those levels if we get a relief rally or a bounce here. So maybe we can just quickly check the 4-hour time frame as well. We definitely have been going sideways here for a portion of time. It's been like this range in between 28 to 41 for the last 25 days down here. And we've slowly been working our way back above the Kumo and closing back and back testing and stuff. So we do have a few fractals and stuff to get through here. Though at the moment there's some volume coming in on the 4-hour chart. Some bullish volume and stuff there, so just going to need a bit more time to see Bitcoin's going to continue up and get up to this 44, 45, 48,000 dollar level. So I'll move away from TradingView now and I'll go into Optima. I'll just find the chart that I'm looking for. I'm just looking for my Ganfan angles down. So this was something that I had seen come in. I hadn't made a video of it at the time, but I got really excited to see this actually happen within day counts and time and price being squared and stuff. So just quickly, this is like a Ganfan angle, and these numbers up the top here are just counting the days from the 65k top. So just really zooming in on the price action here. This is 35 4-hour bar count. And what had happened is that price came all the way down to, I'll just get a horizontal line, HL. So price had come all the way down to this $31,500 level, right on this 315 bar count. And if I have the price degree interval tool here, you can see this 315 degrees here, right on 315 bar. And these white candles within Optima, I've got the swing relation, the colours on these candles, and that's an inside bar. So an inside bar's, if you break the high or low in the next bar, it's usually a buy signal. So we've had an inside bar, we've had a time and price square out at $3,150 on 315 candle, and we've moved up. So that's a quite interesting synchronization within the market there. And now price action is starting to build above the 1 by 1 on this Gann fan angle down from the all-time high, that 64, 65k area. So it's quite interesting. I thought perhaps we'd get a test back to the 61.8 from this range, but we didn't, because that was at 33.88. We never got there. We got to 34 instead. So I'd just be interested to see how we want to go about building more momentum, and if price action wants to continue upward. So time will tell all things. Time and price are the same thing. At least that's what WD Gann has taught us within technical analysis. So yeah, that's my Bitcoin video for today. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please like, share and subscribe. I will be building out a website and be offering different sorts of services in the future, so keep an eye out in the description box for that moving forward. Have a great day.